Right, Shannon, and we also talked to an immigration attorney who tells me that he is getting around 100 calls from immigrants daily with concerns about their temporary protected status. And tonight he's sharing some information about the security of that program moving forward.
We're getting quite a few calls a day here. It's about 100 calls a day.
From people facing uncertainty, immigration attorney Joseph Murphy works closely with immigrants who work and live in Western Pennsylvania under temporary protected status, or TPS.
You've got a lot of people who are here on TPS status. Last count, there's over 1 million people in this status from the various TPS countries. And President Trump has made a lot of noise about canceling these programs. And the people are calling me and they're scared. They're scared the carpet's going to be pulled out from under them.
And Murphy says it's unclear what, if any, changes could come under President-elect Trump's administration. Temporary protected status issued for people from countries facing difficulties that make it unsafe to remain in their country of origin. But it's designed to be temporary. It can be 6, 12, or 18 months and has to be extended near the end of that period to continue.
Then the question is whether he extends it. Okay, so TPS can be for 18, 12, or 6 months at a time, or there can be no extension. So he could say at the end of it, there's not going to be any more, and then those people would have to either go home or resort to some other option.
Jewish Family and Community Services is one of several organizations in Western PA that offers support for refugees and immigrants. COO Dana Gold tells me while many questions can't be answered at this point, services continue as normal.
If they have the need for employment services, if they have the need for reestablishing their visa or renewing their visa, we'll help them with that through our Immigration Legal Services Department.
And Murphy says if TPS programs were to be canceled before their end date, significant litigation would likely follow. Reporting live downtown, Kaylee Gunderson, Pittsburgh's Action News.